Welcome back to the Options Option, where if you like to find edge as much as we do, then you should hit subscribe and join the tribe. Now let's get into it. I am excited today because I have a Bitcoin trading system that I use that I want to share with the audience. And by the end of this video, you'll have the parameters. You will be able to trade it probably today as of the day of watching this video. It is a long only system and it outperforms buy and hold. So stay tuned. So here's an overview of the system. It's a long only system because I want to own Bitcoin over time. I don't want to ride the prices down with Bitcoin. HODL doesn't work. I'm sorry, but I traded through 2018, and I'll tell you, if I would have sold near the top and just used that money to buy back at the bottom, I would rather do that. So the momentum signal that we're going to use on this system is the Donchian channel. You can see it on TradingView. It's one of the basic ones, and if you have any Pine script ability, you can recreate the Donchian channel system that I am presenting today and get started. Otherwise, you can just use it as an indicator on your chart with these parameters and just trade by sight. So I trained the system on 2018 because if I can produce a profit during a very down market with a long only system, then I know it's going to perform really well in a bull market that will always come. So with that being said, let's get in and look at some of the statistics of why you probably will want to at least consider trading this with your Bitcoin. I'm focused on 2018 right now. And as we go back to look during that period, you'll see that we end trading right at the beginning of 2019. We start trading right near the top. That's a tough market to trade. So we're in around 14,000 and the buy and hold people are out. They're out at about 4,000. That's a dramatic drop. Our system during that period has made a decent amount of money, 106% return, 2.019, 52.43%. Does that sell me on it? No, because I trained on this market. So I can't use the data that I trained on to judge the system. But if we move into different markets, 2019, 2020, then we'll see if we can judge the system correctly. But let's see how it performs in 2017, and it should perform better because that's a bull market. So just in 2017, our profit factor went up, our percent profitable went up, and our net profit went up dramatically. Also, you can see our max drawdown was only 12.66%, which is something that I really appreciate during 2017. This is a decent system to trade. Obviously, I think buying in 2017 and holding would have been a better scenario, but we can't tell the future. So we need a system that is going to protect us during the down markets, but let us participate in the upside, and this did that. So let's take a look at 2019. 2019 also performed well. It was 2.092 profit factor. The net profit was 142%. Percent profitable went down. That tells me it's probably a sideways market, which there was a lot of sideways in that market, and then we got some runs in there. This is the point of the system. You get in thinking that it's going to go up, and it goes up, and you get out before you lose everything. You will take losses in there, obviously, but when it goes up hard, you participate. And this is a huge example of that because you purchased here on this trade. You purchased at 75.49 and you got out at 91.02. That's not a bad trade. You participated on the upside there and you didn't participate on holding it all the way on the downside. To me, this is performing as expected. So I take advantage of the large moves, even if they're not that large to begin with. So for the sake of time, I'm going to open it up and see what it would have looked like from 2019 to 2022. That's a great equity curve. So we have a 1,500% return. This is a $1,000 account. If you would have started trading this in 2019 on Bitcoin, you would have made, your account would be about almost 16,000 now with these metrics, and your drawdown would have only been 13.39%. So one of the beauties of this is that if you have a small account, a $1,000 account, you're only going to take $1,000 maximum worth of risk. You're not going to lose it all because you're not trading on leverage. So if you lose money at the beginning, then you'll be able to still purchase and overcome that drawdown. So as you expand, you take on a bigger position, and it compounds over time. If the system is going to perform correctly, then that compounding is going to take care of any drawdowns. Let's review. We have a Donchian channel. We've got the upper line is at 10, the lower line is at 6, but your exit point is at the midline of those two. We're on a 4-hour bar chart, and you can attach this to a bot if you want, or you can trade it as you are. If you find this type of video exciting like I do, especially in crypto, then leave a comment below that you want more of this. I trade the crypto space. I trade options, stocks, futures, and crypto. Anytime there's an edge in the market, I trade it. So let me know what you would like to see more of, and I can get you the videos that you want to see. If you find the value in this video that I think there is in this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and we would like to grow the tribe here at Options Option. And until the next time, happy trading.